Luna's Learning Adventure. Hi friends, welcome back to Luna's Learning Adventure. Today, we're going to learn all about the number 3. Are you ready? Let's go! Writing the number 3 is easy. First, we start at the top and make a curve to the middle. Then, we make another curve from the middle to the bottom. And there you have it, the number 3. Let's try it together. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Ready? Start at the top, make a curve to the middle, and another curve to the bottom. Great job! You've written the number 3. Look at these apples. How many apples do we have here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. That's right. We have 3 apples. Now let's count these toy cars. 1, 2, 3. 3 toy cars. Isn't that fun? I have 3 stuffed animals here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 cuddly friends. This is the number 3. Can you say 3? Great job! The number 3 is so special. Let's see where else we can find the number 3. Yum! Look at these cookies. How many cookies do we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 delicious cookies. Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 lovely flowers. Remember, friends, the number 3 is everywhere. Keep counting and finding the number 3 in your world. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time on Luna's Learning Adventure. Bye!